Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. Let's say if we have y equals to a plus b. So if we do first derivative, we just do first derivative of a and b. So we can apply the formula in here. And that should be like this. So this number will go in here. This number will go in here. And we have negative number 1. This one, let's say if we have y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative, we need to apply about the product rule of derivative. So that should be like this. So we do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. And now we can apply the formula of this one. And that should be like this. So this one, that is about negative number 6. This one we have number 2. This one we have number 5. And this one we have number 4. So we calculate about this one. And we have number 8. Question C. We can apply about the quotient rule of derivative. Let's say we have y equals to a over b. So if we do first derivative, that should be like this. Now we can apply the formula in here. So for this one, we have like this. This one, that is about negative number 6. This one, that is about number 2. This one, that is about number 5. This one, that is about number 4. So 3 of number 3, that is about number 2. And we have negative number 8. So the second one, that should be like this. So if we do first derivative of this one, that should be go like this. So we put the numbers in here and we have number 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.